This is the most easiest way you can actually use delay on your vocals. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process and how you can actually use delay in your mix. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out in my new video. For that being said, let's dive into my FL Studio and I'll show you everything step by step. So here in my FL Studio, this is a song I'm going to add this delay to.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear.
Mind you, if you want to listen to this, make sure you are using your earphone so you can actually know what I'm doing here. So once that is done, I'm going to my mixer. This is where it's been the vocals is being routed to, and it's been routed before sending to the master. So from here, I'm going to route this to a specific track where I'm going to load in my delay. I'm going to load in my delay. So I'm looking for fruity delay. Yes, I've seen fruity delay 3. So this is the delay I'm going to use. In order for me to make things work out for me, I need to know the kind of delay I want to use in this vocal. So for me, I want to use a ping pong delay that is going to right speaker and then bounce to my left speaker. So that is the kind of delay I really want. So I will add to come to ping pong delay. So I also want my pitch to always keep repeating correctly. So I keep pitch. So the next thing for me to do is for me to generate the delay. The delay time. So I will bring out my calculator and I will do 600,000 divided by numbers of BPM 105, and I have 571.4. So I'll just head over and split this to 571.4. 71. That's actually 571.4. So after that is been done, I'm going to pan this to left, so it's going to jump into the left and go to the right. So let's hear what happens.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, you be my own.
So as you can hear, it's too much. It's actually too much on the lick. So I need to bring down the delay, so it's not going to sound too much. So let's just play it and bring it down to a normal volume way so we can actually enjoy the music.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, you be my own. Man gotta fight for you all day long. Yeah. Say now you the ginger. Girl, you the boss. My brain, oh. Now you the ginger me. Girl, you know when I want to body, you go hold me down.
So that is actually how you can actually use delay. Very, very simple. So mind you, if you are using a mono delay, you are only going to choose a mono delay. If you choose a mono, if you are using a stereo, you choose a stereo. But I used to go with ping pong delay because this kind of song I'm keeping cap. But mind you, this song is not a well produced song. I only do this for the sake of this tutorial. So you can also apply this on your main vocals and everything. Let's just enjoy it.
Yeah, you know.
Let's hear the before and after now. So let me just go ahead and turn off the delay.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear.
As you can hear, there is no delay. So let me add it and let's see, find out how it sounds.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, Girl, you be my own. Man, gotta fight for you all day long. Yeah.
So that's everything you need to know about this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please leave your thumbs up to this video so you help the algorithm push this video to many people. Also share this video to your friends, like and comment on this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so you help us creating more content like this. For that being said, I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much.